Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PSP to your monitor. So basically what you'll need to do is find a AV cable port. So it is right here. So you'll need to use this port and plug your cable right here. And basically you'll need to have cable something like this, where you see, as you can see, this and an HDMI. So find cable like this, buy it and use it. So plug HDMI into monitor and this into your PSP, and after that what you'll need to do is basically when you connect all the ends, you'll need to go to connected display settings. This will be at the settings, as you can see, settings and connected display settings, and after that you'll need to go and switch video output. So this will be in the video settings as I showed you, and if you just use this button, you'll basically be in the switch video output and click X. You'll need to confirm it and your screen will go black and you'll see all the information on your monitor and you'll be able to play it on your monitor. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.